playful.
Likes fingers too. I gotta have you record soon. Ow. We done hard when you did that. I think he's hungry.
He can wait till he gets home.
He hasn't seen us home yet. That's right, we have to introduce him to our dogs.
Yep, 1 by 1. And then once 2 get comfortable, 2 by 2. And then once the 2 are comfortable, 3 by 3. Excuse me, mother.
Too much belly button.
He wants his tail.
Oh, crap, it's overturned.
I'll say you're gonna have to get him like a rope too for tug of war or something. Because he already like
I have a rope, remember? At Chloe's.
But it's not for anything. You can't play with it, remember? You gotta keep it nice.
I threw that on the ground.
Is it chewed up? Actually,
It's not. It's a toy. It's supposed to get knotted up and everything.
I know, but I was trying to keep it nice for tug of war. I've had that for at least
I did play tug of war with it.
What?
What was it, $1?
Yeah.
No, it's $2. Not including taxes.
14 cents.
Hi, baby. It was actually $1 for that.
Or was it $1?
That's how you get off of 28. If you have to, you can
Beanie.
right down there by that gas station.
He looks like
There's a light
Jack.
right there at the gas station.
Jax is fluffier and white.
I'm saying he looks like
Or you
Jack.
should go get on the exit.
Because whenever I get on the
Wait, hold on.
GPS, like I type in Anderson, like when I used to, it used to take me to 28 and then to 69.
I told you.
He's looking at my
That's
hand.
the way we went.
Yeah, I know. That's what it always took me. I never went that way.
You don't
always
want to teach him bad
corrected it and I went
habits.
under this and went
We're
this
gonna
way.
Actually,
But you can
He's
take 28
biting.
and jump
He's
over here.
playing.
Oh, I thought it was like, what gas station? This one or
like trying to crack
The
my
gas
finger
station's
open.
yeah, but like I know
Ow.
where you're at. Yeah.
That hurt.
Yeah, I know. I might take this way to come
Oh, it's
down
my new dog.
later when I have to come through.
But don't go that way. You have to go back.
Crap, am I using cellular data?